Before we get started with this video, please feel free to hit the like button and subscribe to my channel if you want more videos like this one. Hello everyone and welcome back. In today's class, we are going to talk about physical description. What is said in Korean? 물리적 설명. 물리적 설명. So, let's start. How do we say I am tall in Korean? The way to say this in Korean is 나는 키가 커요. 나는 키가 커요. Now, try to say I am short in Korean. I am short in Korean is 나는 키가 작아요. 나는 키가 작아요. What about I have straight hair? I have straight hair in Korean is 내 머리카락은 샘머리예요. 내 머리카락은 샘머리예요. And how do we say my hair is curly in Korean? The way to say this in Korean is 내 머리카락은 곱슬이에요. 내 머리카락은 곱슬이에요. Now, let's try with I have big eyes. I have big eyes in Korean is 내 눈이 커요. 내 눈이 커요. And what about I have small eyes? I have small eyes in Korean is 내 눈이 작아요. 내 눈이 작아요. How do we say you are handsome? The way to say you are handsome in Korean is 넌 잘생겼어요. 넌 잘생겼어요. What about You are so pretty. You are so pretty in Korean is 너는 너무 예뻐요. 너는 너무 예뻐요. And how do we say you're so cute? You're so cute is 너는 너무 귀여워요. 너는 너무 귀여워요. And that's all. See you in the next class. Thank you for watching this video. I hope you enjoyed. Also, if you have any question, please leave the question in the comments below. If you would like the full version of this class, you can click on the link in the description below. Thank you and see you in the next video.